rain 30%. Sunday, warm. Mostly sunny.
What the?
At 12:15 p.m., trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area.
How did you get on channel 4?
Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: trained spotters reported.
Who even did this?
Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas,
CTP
highways,
did
streets, and
for
other
Franklin.
paths, as well as other poor drainage and low
So
lying
that means...
some locations that will experience flash flooding include
Waynesboro,
Wayne Heights, Altown, Rouseville, State Line.
Up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Most flash flooding is caused by a thunderstorm.
you didn't go off. Weird.
Flash flooding of small creeks and streams to urban areas.
Do you go off of Franklin, I'm sure? Nope. Okay. Oh crap, EMS went off.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
I don't have time to go in
Most
there.
flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Create the perfect diamond engagement ring.
Sanji, and I have no idea how the heck you got yourself on the channel 4, but I sure did not put you on channel 4. Geez. Now the stupid interference has to come in, doesn't it?
The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 6:45 p.m. Saturday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details as well due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 3.
I felt ready for...
Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 12:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Out of heaven.
Nope, not them.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service and state
www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
So what is today, a flood day? What is this? Severe thunderstorm warning for who?
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, northeastern Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania,
Uh-oh.
southwestern Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania until 2:15 p.m. At 1:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
I can't have that. Let's see.
moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60
Oh, you
miles
used
per hour.
Mnet? Are you kidding me? Okay.
Northwestern Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania until 2:15 p.m.
At 1:37
There they go. There's channel 4.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern
include Big Spring State Park and Doylesburg. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 5 to 200. In your several severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Franklin, and Perry.
Vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Big Spring State Park and Doylesburg. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 195 to 208. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows.
Thanks for that.
This is a statement from the National...
Yes.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Warren County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Clark County in northwestern Virginia until 3:15 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Millwood Pike, moving south at 10 miles per hour.
Oh, come on.
50 miles
I
per
think
hour
so.
in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaged winds will cause some trees and large could injure those outdoors, damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Here's what may become projectiles. Locations impacted include northwestern Millwood and White Post. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Nice, thank you, Sterling. Wasn't expecting that one.